Every time you press the power button on your computer, a quiet journey begins behind the screen, long before you open any application. On the outside, everything looks calm and simple: your monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, speakers, and familiar desktop icons. But deep inside, the computer requires a hidden manager before any program can safely start, access hardware, or respond to your commands. The moment you click to open an app, your command leaves the desktop workspace and enters the computer through the screen. This command travels along a vibrant, glowing path, moving from the user interface into the deeper system architecture inside. Now we enter System City, the bustling internal world where the operating system lives and manages every action in real time. Inside System City, we meet the OS robot, the friendly manager that keeps the entire computer organized, stable, and ready for work. The operating system welcomes every incoming request, understands what resources it needs, and decides where it should go next. By keeping the system ready, the OS allows you to focus effortlessly on learning, creating, and using your favorite applications. Think of the operating system as the master coordinator standing between human users, software applications, and physical hardware components every second. Software applications constantly ask for help, but they are never allowed to control memory, storage, or the processor directly. Instead, the operating system coordinates all work, ensuring every hardware component receives proper instructions and knows what to do next. The human user, running applications, and underlying hardware represent three distinct worlds, and the operating system connects them safely. Whenever an application needs to draw graphics or play audio, it sends a formal request to the operating system first. The OS then communicates directly with the physical hardware behind the scenes using proper steps, shielding the user from complexity. In everyday use, many applications start together, like your music player, web browser, notes, file manager, and digital drawing tool. Streams of requests from all these programs arrive close together, and the operating system receives them calmly in one organized place. It sorts incoming demands into neat processing paths, keeping the computer responsive and smooth while many things happen at once. Without an operating system, every application would blindly try to grab processor time, system memory, and hardware devices all alone. Unchecked requests would collide, hardware devices would get confused, files would clash, and valuable memory would be wasted. Without a central traffic manager, the entire system would quickly slow down, freeze, or become unstable during busy moments. Fortunately, when the operating system returns, it brings complete order back to the computer and restores the smooth flow. It receives every incoming request, checks what resources are required, and chooses a safe route through the system core. Then it distributes resources carefully, guaranteeing that applications continue working efficiently without fighting each other for control. Behind the scenes, every running application is transformed into a process inside the operating system, acting like an active worker. Processes are active programs that require dedicated CPU time, allocated memory, stored files, and hardware access to finish their work. The OS schedules these processes smoothly, giving each worker a fair chance to run at precisely the right moment. Memory management is another vital service of the operating system, ensuring programs have dedicated space while running without mixing their data. The OS assigns specific memory areas to active processes, creating clean, isolated workspaces tailored for each task. When a task finishes, the OS releases that memory immediately, making it available for other applications to use right away. The operating system also manages files, keeping your documents, media folders, and data structured and easy for programs to find. For devices, the OS handles signals between software and hardware components through specialized input and output device services. So when you send a print command, the OS translates the request outward so the printer produces the page correctly. Security and system protection are fundamental jobs of the operating system, because not every request or file should be trusted. It continuously verifies requests, guards sensitive system areas, and blocks unsafe operations before any damage can happen. Meanwhile, the user interface connects your clicks, icons, windows, and menu choices to the powerful operating system inside. Together, these essential core services make the operating system the primary guide that helps the entire computer feel simple and friendly. System City shows the complete picture: applications, processes, memory, files, devices, security, and hardware all connected as one working machine. At the center of it all, the OS keeps every path clear and every service coordinated seamlessly for the user. Finally, the completed response travels back out through the command tunnel to the user's screen, finishing the request. The student sees the application working smoothly, without ever needing to manage raw hardware or system memory directly. That is the operating system, the indispensable hidden manager that helps every computer start, organize work, and run perfectly.